this is Dr. Ryan Hewitt and Dr. Kevin Green here from Innate Wellness Center. And what we're here to talk about is some tips on how to improve your golf swing this season. So very few people actually have equipment problems. Most people, I'd say over 90% of people, have technique and or physical limitations. I would say physical limitations is the number one problem why your club head speed sucks and also why your accuracy needs a lot of work. So Kevin, why don't you go ahead and just take a quick golf swing for me. Nice and slow motion. All right. So you notice the swing, it needs a couple of critical things. Number one is you need tremendous thoracic mobility. Okay, go ahead and swing again. You need to be able to get all around the ball, straight through, good. You also need hip mobility, okay? And lastly, you need shoulder mobility. Those are the three most common problems that I see affecting golfers' golf games today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over some videos on how to correct and mobilize these critical areas of the body that are gonna help you crush your swing this season.